Welcome to this video on building profitable business models, from strategy to revenue. I'm Vincey Thomas, and I'll be guiding you through this validation framework. Many startups fail because they build solutions for problems that don't exist. This video is about business idea validation, how to stop building things nobody wants. Most startups fail not because they lack passion or execution, but because they solve problems that don't exist. Today, I'll show you how to validate your business idea before investing months or money into something nobody wants. Data shows that 42% of startups fail due to a lack of market need. The biggest mistake entrepreneurs make? Falling in love with their solution before understanding the problem. You might have a brilliant idea, but if it doesn't solve a real painful problem that people are willing to pay for, it's just an expensive hobby. Step 1 of our validation framework is to define the problem. Use precision. Write down the exact problem you're solving. Find out the 5 whys to identify the root cause. Ask yourself, is this a real pain point or just an inconvenience? And rate the pain. Is it a vitamin, nice to have, or a painkiller, must have? Here, the vitamin is a nice to have enhancement. People like it, but they rarely feel an urgent need to pay for it. The painkiller is a must-have solution. Solves a weak, frequent, or costly problem that demands a cure. In today's digital era, validation is faster and cheaper than ever. You don't need to build a full product. You need to test assumptions. Step 2 is to find your target audience. Define your audience specifically by geography, behavior, and context to understand. Who experiences this problem most intensely? Where do they hang out online? LinkedIn, Facebook groups, other communities? Step 3. Conduct problem interviews, around 20 to 30 diagnostic interviews from your target audience to find patterns. Ask about the last time they faced the issue and what their magic wand solution would be. Ask about their struggles like, tell me about the last time you experienced this problem. How are you solving this today? If you could wave a magic wand, what would change? Listen for patterns. If most people say, it's not really a big deal, that's your answer. Step 4 is to test willingness to pay. Set up a simple landing page describing your solution with a real price. Also, add a pre-order or join waitlist button. Drive traffic of 100 to 200 visitors through targeted ads and track conversions. There are advanced validation tactics, including the fake door test to measure raw interest. Add a feature button to an existing platform or website. See how many people click it? Shows interest without building anything. Next is analyzing competitor complaints for unmet needs. If competitors exist, that's usually good news, proven demand. Analyze their reviews. What do customers love? What do they complain about? Your opportunity is in the complaints. The Wizard of Oz method is to prove value manually. Sell the service before you automate it. Deliver manually at first. The Wizard of Oz method. Example: if building a software tool, do the work manually behind the scenes. Proves people will pay and teaches you what they really need. Tactic 4. Search volume analysis. Use free tools like Google Keyword Planner. Check if people are searching for solutions to your problem. Low search volume equals potential red flag. Avoid common mistakes. Don't rely on biased feedback from friends and family. They'll be supportive but biased. Seek cold feedback from strangers who are part of your target market, as they care about the solution, not your feelings. Hypothetical interest is not a sale, so always ask for pre-orders. Would you buy this? Answers mean nothing. Will you pre-order today is the real test. Mistake 3. Validating too small a sample. Talking to 3 people isn't validation. Aim for at least 20 to 30 diverse conversations. Don't ignore negative feedback. If the market says not interested, listen, pivot, or move on. Don't force a bad fit. Here's your validation roadmap for the next 2 weeks. Week 1, day 1 to 2. Define your problem and target audience clearly. Day 3 to 7. Conduct 15 to 20 problem interviews. Week 2, day 1 to 3. Build a simple landing page with pricing. Day 4 to 7. Drive 100 to 200 visitors and track conversion. If you get strong signals, people eager to talk, willing to pay, searching for solutions, move forward. If not, iterate or pivot. Validation isn't about proving you're right. It's about learning the truth before you waste resources. Take action today. Pick one step from this video and execute it. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel for more content on building profitable business models.